Hello guys, today I'm going to discuss seismic analysis using ETAP software. Here am I applying the seismic load, seismic analysis response spectrum method and seismic analysis time history function. Let me open the ETAP software. This model is already I have completed in a previous video. For viewing this model analysis and design, I have given the link at the description. For defining the seismic loads, go to define load patterns, load name as seismic, type as seismic, IS code for seismic is IS 1893, add new loads, modify lateral loads. Here I am taking seismic loads in only X and Y directions. Unmark the remaining. Seismic factors, coefficient, seismic zone factor. As per the IS code 1893, the seismic zone factor Z per code will be zero point 0.1, site type as 2, importance factor will be 1, and of response reduction R will be 3 as per the IS code table 7. Click on OK. Now click on OK. The seismic loads are applied. OK. Now the define of seismic load is finished. Next, analyzing the model for the seismic load. Go to analyze, set load cases. Here in this the wind load, the wind case will be not running. Click on the wind run or do not run case. Make as the do not run and run now. The analysis will be going on. Now the analyzing due to seismic load are now finished. You can see the default 3D view displacement dead load in mm. You can click place the cursor on the anywhere on the model. You can see the displacement value. For uh, viewing shear force bending moment, go to display force stresses and for frames link forces. You can see the bending and shear force diagrams with values. Now after the analyzing, go to design concrete frame, view or revise preference. See that as per the IS code of concrete, go to design concrete frame design, start design or check. The model have been checked. You can see the longitudinal reinforcement bars. Now go to design concrete frame design. See that all members have been passed. All concrete frame passed the design check. Now the seismic load have been completed. For next step, for seismic analysis is response spectrum method. It unlock the model. Let me go and check that I have applied the seismic load. I have applied and modify. See that all the values will be same as previously defined. Click on OK and OK. Now go to define, go to functions, response spectrums. Here choose function type to add IS 893 2000. Add new function. Name the function name as response spectrum. Function damping ratio will be 0.05. Seismic zone factor Z will be zero point 0.1 and soil type as 2. Click on OK. The defining of seismic spectrum function have been done. Click on OK. See that the units are same. Display options, display unit. See the acceleration unit. Acceleration trans is per centimeter square. Click on OK. Now go to define load cases. Here add a new case. Load case name as a response spectrum. Response spectrum. Load case type as response spectrum. And in load applied, add accelerate, load type as accelerate, and function as response spectrum. The scale factor will be 1663.5. For scale factor, the formula is Ig by 2R, where I is the importance factor is 1, and G is acceleration due to gravity, and R is the reduction factor, that is 3. And again this will be in x-axis, and for y-axis the value will be same, 1663.5. And include uh, here the model damping will be constant 0.05. Click on OK. Now the load cases have been defined. Click on OK. After defining the load cases, now we should analyze. For analyzing, go to check set load case to run. Here for response spectrum, dead load and live load will be not acting, so marked as do not run. And also the wind load will be not running here. Run now. You can see the displacement value in 3D view. And for designing, go to design concrete frame, start design or check. The model have been checked. See that all members are very fast. All members frame pass the design check. Click on OK. Now for seismic analysis time history function, unlock the model first. Click on OK. Go to define load patterns. Select seismic, modify lateral loads. Here only the time history function will be acting at x direction. Unmark the y direction. The remaining parameters will be same. Click on OK and OK. Now go to define functions, time history function. Choose the file, click on from file and add new. Name the time history function name as time history. Function file, browse, go to browse and click on OK. Click on OK. The time define of time history function have been done. Click on OK. Now go to define load cases. Here the response spectrum will be not acting. Delete the response spectrum. Click on OK. Now add new model. Type name as time history. Load case type as time history. Linear model. Go to add and load a pattern as acceleration and function as a time history function. Calculate the scale factor as previously defined. And only since the model load is acting at x-axis only. Click on OK. Now for going to analyzing part, set load case detail and click on live load and dead load do not run analyze this. Now analyzing have been completed. Now design the model. Start check design or check. The check of the model have been completed. Now see that verify all member passed. You can see the all concrete frame passed the design check. This complete the applying the seismic load to the model. Thank you.